In this video, I'll show you how to write off debt in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left hand side, you want to click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to head over to the second option, which is invoices. And once you were on the invoices section, what you want to do is simply head over to the fourth tab at the top and click on awaiting payment. Now, once you were on the awaiting payment section, in here, what you need to do is simply head over to the invoice that is overdue. Now, on city limousines, I have here an invoice that is overdue by 47 days. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to the invoice that is overdue. Now, once you are on the invoice, it will automatically show you all of its information. And from here, what you want to do is simply head over to the top and right corner. And in here, you will find three dots for more actions. Now, below this, you will find an option at the bottom to create and apply credit. Now, once you click on create and apply credit, it will automatically add you to the new credit note. Now, on this credit note, what you want to do is simply add a reference. Now, on this reference, what I usually do in writing off a debt is add WO and add debt. Now, the reference will also depend on how you want it to look like. I just want to add WO for write off and then debt. Now, on the account, what you need to do is change the account instead of sales. What you want to do is add your own account, which should be for debt. Now, if you don't have a debt account, you want to head over to the very top and click on create new account. And on the account type, what you want to do is set this as an expense. On the code, you want to set a code for a write off debt. So this will be WOD. On the name, we will add this as a debt. On the tax, you can set this as BAS excluded GST free expense or GST on expense. On the description, you can also add one. And at the bottom, you can show on the dashboard watch list and expense claims as well as enable payments to this account. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on the blue button to create. Now, once you click on create, it will automatically add an account for the debt. And once you're done, head over to the top and right corner and click on the blue button to approve. And once you click on approve, as you can see, we have now set the invoice as a write-off debt. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.